In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Microsoft Copilot subscription efficiently. Whether you're looking to upgrade for enhanced features, downgrade to save cost, or cancel the subscription altogether, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account portal. If you're not already familiar with how to do this, simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft account sign-in page. It's essential to use the correct email and password associated with the account that holds the subscription you want to manage. If you have two-factor authentication set up, make sure to have your phone handy to verify your login. This step ensures you have access to all your subscription details. Once you've successfully logged in, the next move is to navigate to either the subscriptions or billing section. You can usually find this option on the home page or within the account settings menu. This section is crucial because it houses all the details about the subscriptions linked to your account, allowing you to make any necessary changes directly. If you're having trouble locating it, consider looking for an icon that resembles a credit card or an invoice, as this usually indicates the billing section. After you've reached the subscriptions or billing page, take a moment to locate your Microsoft Copilot subscription from your list of subscriptions. It may be listed alongside other Microsoft services you might have, like Microsoft 365, so be sure to select the correct one. Take your time here to avoid making changes to the wrong subscription. Now, here's where you can make the key decision. Whether you wish to upgrade your subscription for more features, downgrade if you're not utilizing all the current capabilities, or cancel it entirely if it no longer suits your needs. Each option will have a slightly different process. Follow the prompts provided on screen to carry out your desired action. For upgrades or downgrades, you might be asked to confirm new payment details or terms of service. Whereas for cancellations, it sometimes results in limited service access right away or at the end of your billing cycle, so be sure to check all details before confirming. Finally, after making your selection on upgrading, downgrading, or canceling, don't forget to confirm the changes. This step is vital to ensure that the adjustments are processed correctly and that you receive a confirmation notification, usually via email. This confirmation is your receipt of change, documenting that your actions have been completed successfully. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your Microsoft Copilot subscription to suit your needs best. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.